This isn't just a yacht, this is 3 decks of unforgettable moments. Welcome on board the elite triple deck super yacht. Let's go have a look on board. The moment you step on board, you'll feel it. The service, the smiles, and the unforgettable experience that waits you. This isn't luxury that waits on you. This is luxury that greets you. Cheers. Every space on board this yacht was designed with purpose. To create comfort, embody happiness and joy, and to share in the most eloquent cuisine. Alright, even when the sun sets, the magic does not need to stop. Our private suites make sure that your overnight stays are just as remarkable as ever. If you're looking to take your experience to the next level, look no further. Jacuzzi, beautiful sunsets, what more would you like? This is more than just a yacht. It's a floating opportunity for you and your loved ones to create memories that are unforgettable. Cheers. Dinners aren't just like regular dinners over here. It is laughter over sushi and personal beverages prepared by your private bartender. Cheers. Three decks, one family, and 1,000 memories. Come and experience it for yourself right here at Elite Rentals.